Hi everyone, my name is Alfonso Arroyo, and today I will be teaching you guys how to solve linear equations with multiple occurrences of a variable. To tell you guys a little bit about myself, I've been taking math courses for 7 years and I am currently enrolled at CNM in more algebra classes. So I know this is a useful skill that will help all of us out in the future. So the problem is right here. The linear equation that we see is minus 3 times minus 5u plus 6 minus 7u equals 4 times u minus 4 minus 8. So our first step is to simplify the equation. We will start by doing that by multiplying the outside variable into the parentheses. In this case, it'll be the minus 3 and the 4. If you look down further, this is what the new equation should look like. 15u minus 18 minus 7u equals 4u minus 16 minus 8. How did we get that? 3 times 5 is 15. Since they're both negatives, it's a positive 15, and you bring down the u, 15u. 3 times 6 is 18. Negative and a positive makes a negative, so it's negative 18, and you bring down the minus 7u. And on the other side, we got 4 times u for the positive 4u. 4 times a negative 4, making it negative 16, and we're bringing down the minus 8. Our next step is to combine the like terms. So as you can see, 15u minus 7u will equal to 8u, and you bring down the 18. And over here, 16 minus 8, so that's a minus 16 and a minus 8 equal minus 24, bringing down the 4u. Now that we simplified the equation, we start to solve for the variable. The easiest way to solve for the variable is to get one side to equal to 0. So in this case, we will subtract minus 4u plus 24 so that this side equals to 0, and we'll do the same to this side. It doesn't matter what side of the equation you do it to, as long as one side is set to 0. The problem will now look like 8u minus 4u plus 24 minus 18 equals 0. So our next step is to simplify again. 8u minus 4u equals 4u plus 24 minus 18 equals 6. So the equation looks like 4u plus 6 equals 0. Now to get the variable, we get it by itself. In order to do that, we will get rid of the 6 and the 4 on this side. So we will subtract 6 from this side, and then we will follow by dividing 4 under. So subtracting 6 will equal 4u equals minus 6. Dividing both sides makes it u equals a minus 6 over 4. And we simplify that one more time to get our answer, which is minus 3/2. Next, we simply check our work to make sure our answer is correct. So we insert the minus 3/2 in every occurrence of the variable, which is u, as you see the equation here, and both sides of the equation should equal the same number to prove that you are correct. In my case, minus 30 equals minus 30. Now, we will be working on 2 more problems. The first one I will already have up with everything drawn out. It already shows you the process, but I will slowly walk you through it, while the next one will just be the equation so that you get a second to try work it out, and then I'll go ahead and show you the answer. So this problem is minus 3 times 7u minus 1 plus 8u equals 3 times u plus 7. So our first step is to distribute the number outside of the parentheses inwards, giving us minus 21u plus 3 plus 8u equals 3u plus 21. Combined like terms will give us minus 13u plus 3 equal to 3u plus 21. Then again, we'll set one side to 0. This time I will set this side to 0 to show you that it works both ways. So I'm going to add 13u to subtract that, and I'm going to subtract 3, giving us over here the same thing, which gives us 16u plus 18 equals to 0. So to get the u by itself, we're going to subtract 18 subtract 18, and then divide by 16. So it's going to be minus 18 on this side after we subtract the 18. Divide by 16 gives us u equal to minus 18 over 16. And after simplifying, it'll be minus 9 over 8. Now we'll go ahead and try one where you guys can work your own skills, and I'll go ahead and pause the video. You guys are welcome to take a few seconds and pause me as well while you try it on your own. Then I'll go ahead and show you the answer and walk you through it. The equation is 3 times w plus 2 plus 4 equals 5 times w plus 1 plus w. So feel free, take your time and try to answer this problem. Cool. Hopefully that was enough time for you guys. So right here, we're going to walk you through it. First, we distribute the outside number into the parentheses, making the equation 3u plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 5w plus 5 plus w. We're going to combine like terms to give us 3w plus 10 equals 6w plus 5. We're going to set one side to 0, which is this side. Minus 6w minus 5. We do it to both sides, which will give us minus 3w plus 5 equal to 0. Then we're going to subtract 5 from both sides and divide by 3. So it's going to be minus 5 on this side, then divided by 3. Giving us the answer of w equals minus 5 over minus 3. But because there's a negative sign and a negative sign, w will equal positive 5 over 3. Did you guys get that right? Hopefully this helped you guys improve on your guys' algebra skills and solving linear equations with multiple occurrences of a variable. Again, my name was Alfonso Arroyo, and I hope this was useful. Thank you very much.